So the kids are working on designing apps to help the user solve a problem. It's valuable because for one, they're collaborating. That's a huge important skill that, everybody needs to practice. And then just problem solving, like thinking of other problems that are in the world and that other people sometimes themselves encounter, is really interesting to see their thought process and like what's important to them.
It's gonna be on your home screen. Then if something is happening, like if you feel sick and you don't know what to do, you can call the doctor on your phone and they could answer. Or if you need another emergency, there's a ambulance, firefighter, and a policeman.
They were downloading the files from Thingiverse onto the computer and then importing them into Tinkercad.
And they were combining that.
And combining it with the project they created. They'd get like a car and then put some kind of design of their own with the cars. The most valuable skill is probably that they learned how to render. They came up with a design in their mind, they built it using Tinkercad, and then they were able to see it printed on the 3D printer.
We designed a project, and instead of just drawing the heart, what they have done right here is they have just folded one half right here. They designed this side right here, and you've got hearts right here to hold the project up after they finish cutting it. Even if you do make a little mistake, that just to continue working, and we can still modify things before the final product comes out. Okay, we are designing Minecraft characters. What I want them to do is try to make their design to where their arms and legs move around.
So before we were using this useless piece of foil.
Well, it's not useless.
Well, not useless, yeah. And it wasn't conducting enough power to light up both of them. So what we did was switch for the pipe cleaners.
So those seem to be better conductors?
Yes.
So if I were to put copper in there, will that green light turn on even stronger?
Yes.
What did you connect?
I connect all of them with battery with paper clips, foil, and pipes.
Tell me what you built today.
I built a hide and seek game.
Hide and seek game on using what tool?
I was on Scratch.
Do you like using Scratch?
Yes.
How come?
Well, basically I can make what I want and do what I want on it.
Nice.
The scores are right here. I cook them.
So it's kind of like you made your own game.
Yes.
How did that feel?
It feels good.
Good. Do you think it's something you would want to make again?
Yes.